Welcome everybody, I'm Raf the chef and this is Dépêche food channel. Let's get started! Today I'm going to show you how to cook a steak. This perfect method will leave you without any questions. For that you will need fresh thyme and garlic, diced butter, salt, black pepper, olive oil, and of course good cut of steak. I will use sirloin. Before we will start, you need to take the first step, which is taking your steak out of the fridge and let it sit in room temperature at least 10 to 15 minutes. Now, let's take a paper towel and dry the steak very well on both sides. You want to sear it, not to boil it. While taking off the paper, make sure that nothing left on your meat. After drying, it's time to give your steak a generous seasoning. Don't be afraid to coat your meat with good amount of salt and pepper, then gentle rub it into the cut. Turn the steak and do the same on the other side. Before we will start, I would like to show you guys how to check tenderness. Watch carefully. If you press the base of your thumb, this is how steaks feel when they are raw. If you put thumb and your index finger together, this is how the steak feels when it's rare. Put thumb and your middle finger together, this is when it's medium rare. Push thumb and your fourth finger and you will feel when it's medium. Thumb and pinky together will show you when it's well done. At this point, grab a frying pan, put it on the stove over high heat and pour olive oil. When the pan is hot, it's time to place our steak. Just remember, we always lay the steak away from us to avoid splashes and burns. Turn the steak every minute to cook it evenly. Sirloin has lots of fat on the edge, so I will sear that fat to make it crispy. Now, take the garlic and crush it with your hand. Don't worry if it's not peeled. And add it to your pan. Next, grab some herbs and add to your steak. Do the same with butter and let it melt. Finally, when the butter is melted, grab a tablespoon and baste the meat. Take the pan away from the stove. Grab the steak and put it on the side. Season it again and let it rest for a while. Come back after a few minutes and voila! Meat is ready to serve. Put it on the plate with your favorite garnish and enjoy this delicious steak. Bon appétit! Hope you guys liked the video. If you've got any questions, leave the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and visit our Instagram profile. Thanks for watching and see you next time!